Hello all, greetings from Clever Fox Publishing. In today's session, we will discuss on how to annotate your corrections inside the PDF file. It's quite simple. First of all, to start with this, I would introduce you to the cursor panel over here. You can see an hand symbol is rotating over here, which is just used for scrolling. But I would recommend you to use the cursor option over here. This is the selection tool. So click on this selection tool, and the purpose of using selection tool is to select a word. And now I have selected a word. I feel like okay, this word should be in italic. So we have various tools to mark our correction. First of all, I have selected, and you can see here's a lot of tools have popped up. So first one is highlight text. So let's click on that, and after highlighting it, you have to give the comment for what reason you have highlighted. So I'll write it to make this italic. Okay, and click on the post option. It's done. So now I'll inform you this is quite easy, but we have other various tools which will help you to mark your corrections inside the file. It's quite easy. Just click on this comment option, comment button, and after that you will see a lot of other tools have populated on your header page. Now this one is comment. So you want to comment uh, anything and you are not able to select a text. What you can do is you can use the comment or a generic information. So this is general text. So I've just added a dummy text in this. And for example, this correction is not over here. It is uh, somewhere near to this. You can move the comment option from there to here. Okay, now next option what we have is you can actually replace if you want to replace a text with something else. So here it is sometimes. If you want to replace this sometimes with sometime, you need to click on this. So you can see it is written as add note to replace text. Just click on that and write sometime. This will be easier for your typesetter and the publishing consultant to understand what correction exactly and where is the placement. And you want to delete a text, in that case you have to use this option. So when you put the cursor over there, you can find it is showing strike through text. So let me click on that. Now you can see how easy it is, like you are editing on MS Word. So this has deleted. Okay, now you have a picture. So the picture is for example you want to increase the picture size. So, this button, this pencil tool you can use and just round it over here, and then double click on that, and after that write that increase the picture size. Okay, now you have some attachment. So click on attach file, and you want to paste any of these images over here, you can place it. Okay, and okay, you have some arrow symbol over here. You can use the arrow symbol and also add a comment, move next. So these are few tools which will be useful in editing your PDF file, and after you edit all this, just save it. So Control S, and after that, wherever whichever place you want to save it, downloads. I'll save it at downloads and click on save button. Okay. So after that, it's done. So and then you can submit your file to the publisher. Thank you. Have a nice day.